Report groups in QuickBooks Online let you save all the custom reports in the report group as a single PDF and/or schedule sending the reports via email. To view report groups in QuickBooks Online, hover over Reports in the navigation bar, and then click the Custom Reports link in the Reports and Analytics menu that appears. Alternatively, if the Reports and Analytics bar already appears on screen, you can just click the Custom Reports link within it. Either way, the Custom Reports page then opens to the right and shows your saved custom reports and any report groups you have created. To print or download all the reports in a report group as a single PDF, click the drop-down under its Action column. Then click the Export as PDF link to open the Print or Save as PDF window. A preview of the single PDF created from the combined reports in the report group appears in this window. To print the PDF, click the Print button in the toolbar at the top of the PDF preview to open your web browser's print dialog box, where you can set the print settings, and then click the Print button to finish. Alternatively, to download the PDF, click the Save as PDF button at the bottom of the window. To close the window when finished, click the Close button within it. To rename a report group in QuickBooks Online, click the Edit link under its Action column to open an Edit Group Name window. Then type the new name into the field shown and click the Done button. To delete a report group in QuickBooks Online, click the drop-down under its Action column, and then select the Delete Group command. Then click the Delete button in the confirmation window that appears to finish. Note that deleting a report group doesn't delete the reports it contains, but it does ungroup them. The reports still appear within the Custom Reports list. To schedule and send an email for either a report group or for a single custom report in QuickBooks Online, click the drop-down under its Action column, and then select the Create a Schedule command to open the Create Workflow window. To change the workflow's name, type it into the Workflow Name field. To set its email schedule, set the desired values for the Start, Repeat Every, and End settings in the Create and Send Recurring Reports section. In the How would you like this action to happen section, then enter the email addresses of the email recipients separated by commas into the Send To field. To show a CC or a BCC email address field, click the Add CC and/or Add BCC links, and then enter email addresses into those fields too. Type the desired email subject into the Subject field. Select the file format of the report or reports to send in the email by choosing the desired Format File Type option button. Next, type the desired email message into the Message field. If needed, to insert a variable into either the Subject or Message field while typing, type the # or hashtag symbol, and then select the desired variable from the drop-down menu that appears. To then save and enable the email schedule, click the Save and Turn On button. Alternatively, to save the email schedule but not enable it, click the Save button. Alternatively, to cancel the report email workflow, click the Cancel button instead and click Discard in the confirmation prompt. To change the report group membership for a single custom report, click the drop-down under its Action column, and then select the Change Group command to open an Add Report Name to a Group window. Then use the drop-down in this window to select the name of the report group to which to move the report, and then click the Done button. Alternatively, to remove the report from its current report group, instead click the Remove from Group link, and then click the Done button. To see the additional actions you can perform on a single custom report in QuickBooks Online, click its Action Columns dropdown. To add the report to a management report, select the Add to Management Reports command. Then select whether to create a new management report or add the report to an existing management report in the window that opens, and type the new management report's name, or select it from the drop-down that appears as needed. Then click the Add button in the window to finish. To export the custom report as a PDF or Excel workbook, select either the Export as PDF or Export as Excel command from the Action column to immediately download a version of the custom report in the selected file format. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.